Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create picture-in-picture videos in CapCut. For this tutorial, we will use the overlay feature in this app. So first, you have to open your project in CapCut and add two videos here, which one of them would be the picture-in-picture videos. So in my project, I already added two videos here. So this is my first video and this is my second video. My second video here will be the picture-in-picture. So what I do is click on the second video and then look at the editing options on the bottom of the screen. You search for overlay. Here I'm going to scroll for a bit and then I found overlay. Click on overlay and then the second video will go to the second layer of our project. We will just have to click and drag the second video to overlay the first video. Wait, I'm going to deactivate my pointer first. So click and drag the second video until it overlays the first video, like this. Alright. Then you can resize and set the location of the second video, your picture-in-picture. Just set the location to where you desire it to be. And then there you have it. It's a picture-in-picture videos. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. And if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like and subscribe. See you guys.